Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can unlock next chapter in the icon journey of EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So you can unlock master chapter right now. But before we start, I want to show you that I made this video for beginner and new to this game, still confusing how this game is works and how you can challenge the event and complete the quest and you can get ton of reward from it. Let's get started by tap the play button, tap live events, and tap the icon journey of Zinedine Zidane. So make sure you have this. You have already claimed this OVR 82 of Zinedine Zidane. This card is pretty good, and make sure you already done this first 3 match and also this the second 3 match, and make sure you already have 300 of this icon journey token. So currently I do have 75, so make sure you have 300 to unlock next chapter to the master chapter. So all you have to do is just playing more this match. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the text button below. Enjoy the game.